I am Paulina. I am a crew member from the Nao Trinidad. The founding is the Fundación Nao Victoria. It's a non-profit organization that is in Seville, Spain. This is a beautiful project if you look at it. It's just telling people the history of these ships. And that's what we are here, really. That's how we have rice. That's how we have pepper, all the spices. And so that's why they created this foundation, and that's why they created these ships, to go around the world, educate people about the history of these amazing ships and these explorers, and what they discovered when they were on the ocean for months and months and months and months. So basically what we need to be able to move the ship from one side to the other is at least 10 to 12 crew members. We have obviously the captain and the first mate, and we have the bosun, so he is the one coordinating all the crew members to always have the ship as good as it looks. But it's a work, it's an everyday work. We're painting the mast, as you can see, there has a little patches, but we're finishing that. I mean, it's just little pieces here and there, but it's always something to do on the ship. There is no one day that you can just sit and relax. Usually I'm the cook, and I just help with whatever is needed. If we had to put the sails down, I am a sailor, but for sure the cook, because it kind of helps the crew not to worry about cooking, and so they have their tummy full. And we have rough seas sometimes, so I just make sandwiches. My favorite thing to do is to sail, of course. I mean, just to be in the ocean and not noise, and just the stars, and it's just the sailing part of it is just my favorite. When we're in port, I guess talking to people, just greeting and showing the history side of it, because I love the history of the ship. So talking to people about the history is very exciting to me. The Nao Trinidad has been doing the East Coast for the last 2 years, so we go all the way to the Great Lakes, then back to the south. Last year in December, we were in Puerto Rico. We were visiting a few islands in the Caribbean. We've been everywhere in the world. If you consider that these people took years, months, to get here, 16, 18 months to come this way. Now we do it on about 28 days to cross the Atlantic. And then now we are here in San Augustine, which I am very excited about because of the history linked this city with the ship. Something that we love as the crew member, as the sailors, is obviously to use the sails as much as possible. And it's just unbelievable beautiful. Just no noise. It's just very, very cool. This is a floating museum, as we call. Visit www.naotrinidad.org. And also there you can buy tickets online. It tells you the whole history of the ship. And as we go, we put a calendar of where the ship is going to be going next. Follow us on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and just come and meet us all, meet the crew.